Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Centre. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. English Speaking Course, Day 5 Notes. Objective. Learn and practice the past tense for daily conversations. Form sentences to talk about past actions and events. Warm-up activity. Review Day 4. Ask students to share 2 to 3 sentences about their daily routine in the present tense. Understanding the past tense. Explain what the past tense is. The past tense is used to talk about actions that happened earlier or in the past. Structure. Subject plus verb, past form, plus object. Examples. I ate breakfast. She went to school. They played football. Regular and irregular verbs. Explain the difference. Regular verbs, added to the base form. Example. Play played. Walk walked. Irregular verbs, change form completely. Example. Go went. Eat ate. Activity. Write a list of regular and irregular verbs on the board. Ask students to give the past tense of each verb. Positive sentences in the past tense. Examples. I watched a movie yesterday. He visited his grandmother. We studied for the test. Negative sentences in the past tense. Structure. Subject plus did not plus verb, base form, plus object. Examples. I did not eat lunch. She did not go to school. We did not play cricket. Questions in the past tense. Structure. Did plus subject plus verb, base form, plus object. Examples. Did you watch TV? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Did she complete her homework? Yes, she did. No, she didn't. Activity. Pair students and have them ask each other questions using did. Speaking practice. Ask students to describe what they did yesterday. Example. Yesterday, I woke up at 7 a.m. I went to school. I studied math and English. In the evening, I played with my friends. Group activity, story building. Divide the class into groups. Each group creates a short story in the past tense and presents it to the class. Homework. Write a paragraph about what you did last weekend. Example. Last weekend, I went to the park. I played football with my friends. Later, I watched a movie with my family. End the class. Good job, everyone. Keep practicing your past tense sentences. See you tomorrow. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Centre. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.